Hello, in this video, we will introduce pop-up menus. A pop-up menu, also known as a context menu, is a menu bar that appears upon user interaction, such as a right-click mouse operation. Creating a pop-up menu is similar to creating a regular menu. First, you create an instance of menu, and then you can add items to it. Finally, you bind a widget with an event to pop up the menu. We're going to write this program here. So you're going to right click anywhere in this area here, the white area. So it's going to display this pop-up menu. So this is pop-up menu: draw a line, draw an oval, draw a rectangle, clear. So this is rectangle, this is a line, this is an oval, and you can clear everything. So we're going to write this program now. So we're going to create this window, and here is the menu. So this is menu inside the window. Now, this is the label here. We have this: draw a line, draw an oval, draw a rectangle. So this is the corresponding action command. So this display line, display oval, display rectangle. And now we are going to have this is clear. So this one here is, you're going to have this label is clear, and the command is self.clear. So this is right here, self.clear canvas. So this is the code clear canvas. So this is the canvas here, and we put the canvas right inside here. And now for this menu, so what you're going to do is the menu now. The menu is, you need to have this menu to create a pop-up menu is window here with the tail off is equal to 0. This is to create a pop-up menu. And now we're going to bind the event with the pop-up. So this is the button 3. And here is self.popup. So we're going to talk about this bind more in detail in the next video. But for now, so this is what you do to bind this button with this action pop-up. So here's pop-up. So this is the pop-up. So when you have this pop-up menu.post, you post at this location right here, right at where the mouse is pressed right here. So wherever the mouse is pressed, that's where it is. That is all for this video on pop-up menus. See you on the next video.